Hey everyone, I want to start this video by saying I'm changing the focus of my channel to sustainability and lingerie sewing. That being said, this is the first video with the new focus and we'll be discussing using cotton interlock fabric in bra sewing. Every video will stand alone, but be a part of a larger journey to remove synthetics from my sewing as much as possible. And with that, let's talk about using cotton interlock fabric. First, I want to distinguish interlock from jersey fabric. Jersey fabric is a single layer of knit fabric that can be made of cotton, rayon, viscose, and even hemp blends. It's a fairly common fabric, so you've definitely encountered it in t-shirts and underwear. Interlock fabric is a double layer of fabric that is a variation of a rib knit, so it uses knit and purl stitches. Compared to jersey, interlock is more stable, thicker, and is easier to work with because the edges don't roll. I'll be using this black mercerized interlock for the main fabric of Simplicity 9478 with this red lace I'll discuss in more detail in another video. One place interlock can always be used is the back band of a bra. I've seen most patterns recommend either power net or power mesh fabric for the back band. Both fabrics are a spandex nylon blend with four-way stretch, but of varying support. Power net is the heavier weight of the two and offers more support. A simple way to remove synthetics from bra making is to use cotton interlock fabric instead of either power net or power mesh in the back band. Since the back band needs to be supportive, I found using a double layer of interlock fabric offers more stability. If you're going to double up on the fabric, make sure the grain line is in the same direction for both pieces of fabric. One caveat is that if you require a lot of support in your bras, power net might be a better option for you. You can also look in other areas of bra making to reduce synthetics. Like previously mentioned, any pattern that has stretch fabric in the back band can be made using interlock fabric. However, if you'd like to continue using the interlock fabric throughout your bra, you can either modify a pattern or select a pattern that has stretch fabric throughout. For example, the Lansdowne bra is designed to have stable fabric everywhere except the lace inner cups and the back band. You can simply layer the interlock fabric over the stable fabric for a continuous look. This strategy can be applied to any other pattern that calls for non-stretch fabric that you'd like to use interlock fabric with. Other patterns are designed to be used with stretch fabric, such as Simplicity 9478. The interlock fabric will be sewn as directed in the pattern, which is where I'll be using this interlock. I try to use GOTS certified fabric whenever I can. It's the ultimate standard for sustainability and worker safety. However, it's not always feasible to purchase. Interlock is readily available from fabric retailers, but if you're looking for GOTS certified, I have two sources I use. The first is from Germany. I'm not even going to attempt to say the name, but they carry almost all GOTS certified fabrics and everything is sustainably sourced. They have a few discontinued colors of interlock fabric available, but it looks like they'll continue to stock white and black fabrics in the future. Their shipping isn't cheap, but it should arrive within a week, and I've never had any problems. The second place is Organic Cotton Plus. They're located in the United States and specialize in cotton fabric, but also carry linen, silk, and wool fabrics. They have a few colors of interlock fabric that's GOTS certified, although not everything on their site is certified. And with that, I am going to start sewing my Simplicity bra with this black interlock fabric. The next video is going to focus on altering the Simplicity pattern into a push-up style bra.